A 3.3% correction in Polygon is likely tomorrow, according to Gov Capital Collector. Before diving deeper, let's scan today's price flow. Polygon has posted a 1.5% increase today and is now near the N9 level. Here come 5 views from analysts. CoinDataFlow sees the price approaching and N9 by tomorrow, and that implies a rise of close to 1.9%. Traders Union sees potential for Polygon to rise to N9, an increase close to 0.6%. Digital coin price highlights the possibility of dropping to N9, a decrease of about 1.3%. A different projection by Gov Capital Collector notes Polygon could dip to N9, about 3.3% below current value. And in closing crypto predictions believes the price may reach N9 by June 2. That's a 4.6% drop. This is the strongest return case. The outlooks are complete. Let's see the broader view. Now we move from forecasts to their expected performance. After evaluating every forecast, the potential price change could lie between a drop of 4.6% and an increase of 1.9%, depending on the analyst. The numbers make it clear that Crypto Predictions predicts the highest return with 4.6% gain in value by June 2. All in all, you could generate between $6 and $46 for every $1,000 you invest. By probability ranking, Traders Union holds the lead with a 83% chance of success. From the total set of forecasts, I've put forward one consensus picture. Consensus levels highlight Polygon around N9. Here are the key details. Consensus figures point to a 1.3% reduction in price. From that angle, your capital could also grow by the same 1.3%. With 1,000 as a base, the numbers might indicate $13 gained. This consensus view is linked to a chance of about 77.5% of materializing. Let's shift our focus to how analysts view the 3-day outlook. CoinDataFlow expects the chart to tilt downward. Similarly, Traders Union suggests Polygon could slide further. A decline is anticipated by digital coin price with bearish pressure in play. Gov Capital Collector projects weaker prices ahead. Crypto Predictions highlights that Polygon could slide lower. Bringing together the forecasts, the consensus shows Polygon leaning into a decline. In short, the 5 forecasts point in the same direction, downward. In total, 60% of projections highlight a bearish outlook for Polygon. 5 forecasts were made 2 days ago. Today, we review their accuracy. In the end, the final close was N9. 2 out of 5 analysts were right about the move. Looking at the numbers, 30 rates turned out most precise. Now it's time to break it into parts. Yesterday's trading range included 4 forecasts. When it comes to ROI, a few positive results appeared. The best one came from Crypto Predictions with 1.5%. On screen now is the recap view, a compact overview of forecast performance. In the data, coin price forecast shows 86.1% forecast probability and 0.2% ROI. See if your favorite analyst managed to stay closest to the move. Here's a side-by-side comparison of tomorrow's forecasted performance between Polygon and other cryptocurrencies. Polygon isn't leading this time as the top spot goes to Solana with a forecasted return of 3.2%. Here I've compared Polygon with only 4 random cryptocurrencies. A broader comparison with many more can already be explored on my website. Enjoyed the breakdown? Give it a like and make sure you're subscribed for tomorrow's update. Till next time.